Hello, my name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
You do, and I have something fun to show you. This is called BoxBall or BoxBall. You can go to BoxBall.com or BoxBowlin.com. I saw this and thought, how fun is this? So did I buy one? No, I bought 5. If you buy a 5-pack, which they call a family pack, I think they were under $15 a piece. They were a lot of fun, okay? Now, I have to tell you, I read a lot of reviews and people were like, oh, it's just a ball on a string, blah, blah, blah. You know, what do you want for $15? There is an app. I don't care about the app. It's supposed to count how many times you hit. Well, it actually counts the sound. And that's not like an accurate thing, really. So if I wanted somebody to count how many times I hit, I would ask my husband to count.
What do you mean? What do you mean hit?
Hit the ball. Don't let it hit you. Now let me show you how this works.
Do you have a baseball bat or something?
No. It's like boxing. So you put it on your head. It's a Velcro, so it can fit anybody's head. You want to measure the string, so you roll the headband so that you can get the, see up here? Squish, squish. See up here where it's
I'm
like,
my way up the string right now.
where it's wrapped? That's to adjust the length. That's how you adjust it so that multiple users can use the same thing. Now, I watched one video, okay? And it was a big tough guy who was a boxing guy. And he said to start with downward taps and doing it lightly. So that's what I was doing. But then it gets out of control. But then it gets really fun, okay? Now, do kids like this? Well, we had a 6-year-old try it. 6-year-old's having trouble following directions.
Let's ask.
Let's ask. Start it. Here's Kason with the BoxBall. And you're supposed to hit downstrokes and lightly. Lightly. We've shortened the ball. All right, we're gonna practice a little bit. Okay? All right. So, it's really fun. I recommend it highly. We had it at our Christmas party. I have a 5-pack and everybody was having fun.
Is it safe?
24.
24?
3.
Oh! I think it got out of control on ya.
What are they trying to do?
And who is this? Okay, he's doing a great job. Yeah.
So bad right there, the reindeer.
You really are doing well. Did it get the best of you? Has it hit you in the face yet? No. Okay, good.
Hit me in the face like.
Nice and light.
Do it light, Dawn.
You're doing great.
Is it safe to say at this point that no Spice Dawns were injured in the making of this video?
Oh, look at me now!
You almost hit me.
Look though!
She's going crazy.
This is like hand-eye coordination business. This is actually, pretty. All right, my turn is done.
Bye.
Bye.
Do you have any tips to share on this?
Spice Dawn tips to share.
Oh, I'll look it up.
On Facebook.
I'll look it up.
That's my review. And I think it's pretty cool whether the app is working properly or not.
Say
I
bye.
don't care.
Say bye, Aiden.
Bye.
Say bye, Spice Dawn.
Bye.
Bye, Spice Colin. Bye.